a couple pair of those lightweight, the white cotton gloves in the location you gave us in the JPM. Just for inventory-wise, we had one size 11 left, and then the rest are all very small size. Fit my hands perfectly, but don't fit anybody else on the crew. So I don't know if we plan on manifesting more soon, but that's just wanted to give you a heads up. Remaining gloves left in there are 2 pair of the size 5, and I think 1 more pair of size 7.
Okay, copy all. Thank you for the inventory. Yeah, if you'd only found the 1 pair, we were going to say you could each wear 1 glove and be like Michael Jackson, but I'm glad you found the extra glove.